Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. Watch us for this. I'm your Shari today. Um, yeah guys, we are you all waiting for the ranked classic match. So this is my new account. My old account was there, but in that there are pro plays, so I cannot play well. So that's only I open a new account. But this in this account I'm 13th level. So this account I have a pro player, but in this match I have got Boya. So how much kill means you have to see guys. But it's really Boya. So come on, we can see. So where I was where I was what is land means peak. Okay, peak. In peak itself I have killed 5 kills. So you will see. Come on guys, we can see. So last only super fun will happen. You will see guys, last thing. Okay, now I'm landing, so I will land in that what it's a house. That house, no, one house will be there. What name? It's not coming to into my mind. So come on guys, we can see this house only. I don't know its name, so come on. In this house itself I have killed 1 kill because I have landed in peak on this house. First itself MP40. Come on guys, you can leave it. One enemy will be there with spas 12. I will put that's also he has died. So first I thought we can play inside this house itself. No, like that I thought, but I will sit here 10 minutes. No one will come. I will cut that clip. So no one will come, and I have decided to don't go. We have to go on attack and play. So first I have landed in peak, and I have go for what we can say Abhima Shakti and John Laper Pochinok to peak on roads is there. No, there itself I have to die, but one headshot came, and that headshot saved me. Come on guys, comment how was my gameplay after comment. So there is one attack. So first in that house one kill here. He is attacking someone and coming fully upgraded version means he is full of damage. I have put 231 damage. Wow, super headshot. So this is amazing headshot. So like for this guys, like for this headshot, and please subscribe to my channel. Watch us. Oh yes. So now also one kill will come to me. So first I think this match will be flopped. I will die early, like that only I'm thinking. But unfortunately I get Boya. So here also one kill. So I didn't see him. He is attacking me. I'm also doing me. This boy only attacked me. Oh, fully damaged my worst way. All the things. Now I'm going up. First I will put the grenade, but that will not work. That's only real. So next I will go up. No, he only come that side. He will run. See, I did be snake when I have shoot an MP40. No, see, I didn't sit means you will kill me. So that's only real. If I don't sit means he will kill. So it was I was what you can say, I was just miss. I escaped from him. So where is his loot? Oh yeah, here. Okay. Now I killed 4 kills. 5th kill also peak only. I think not peak. So what are your comments? Please. Comment guys, comment. So this is not 10 minutes video, 12 minutes video. I'm sorry for that because I was running, so that's only. I'm so sorry. Now it's 19. Oh no, I have now in this account all the match bots only came, but in the last 6 matches all are pro player. That's good for noobs because they are practicing. No, so I'm also improved my gameplay. So headshots are big, headshots are nice. So I also improved my gameplay because of this account. Come on, guys, come on. So I'm running here and there for taking his loot. This is boring movement. Okay, now wait. So yes, guys, I'm so in this match also lag and hanging all will happen. 999 plus will also happen. So I'm just searching for what we can say that what bag, yeah, level 2 bag or level 3 bag. I'm gonna take loot with this level 1 bag. You can comment, guys, whether we can take challenge. But it's heavy. See, there is one enemy. So I was coming zipline. He was shooting me. One headshot. Superb, no? Superb. That's 89 headshot. You can tell that the guys that we can hear also one car. He in the car. I didn't see him. He was so see. I was glue also. That's only what we can say. Grenade also not here. So put the toy grenade. So challenge means that is very difficult with my account because all are pro. See, I have sitter here. So what I have here reloaded. I am sit up is nice. Sorry guys, sit up when you are enemy is shooting you. You sit means you sit up means a headshot will come and he cannot put you headshot. So come on, back also the enemy has came. He also on big give me a big problem. See, that one shot they put means he will die, but I have missed that. I'm so sorry, guys. So come on. I'm running for you. Hey, I'll kill you now. Grenade also not there. Whether I have grenade, I can also put that. I also not have that. So I'm just putting that toy grenade. He will identify now. I have did a big mistake. I have shooted with MP40. You are putting grenade all you are putting. So he's player, not a bot. He is hired a player. Yeah. So here itself Bimasad itself 7 kills. So amazing, nah. So this is my brand new gameplay. So yes, this is my thumbnail you have seen. So whether this match is whether you like this video means please comment. You don't put like, so please subscribe to my channel, guys. I'm waiting for 50 subscribers. So you can comment and share and like and subscribe all. Okay. I'm running. So here also no kill. So come on, guys, I have came for that loot. I mean that airship. One enemy was shooting me, but he's noob but not bot. Okay, I think he don't know to play. He is having what we gonna scare. That scare and shooting me. I just is he also all wrong lane gun is not bad. It's good only. So I have go and put medikit on cover. So come on, putting medikit. So I will. So now I will put the running movement. So come on, what you can comment, okay? I like your gameplay, so like that, and please comment your ID. So Free Fire ID, please guys, please comment your Free Fire ID. So I can give request, or you can give me request. My ID is in description. So Free Fire description. So you can also comment. I don't use the double shotgun 1887. So I don't like that. So now 8 kills. Okay. Now 1 kill will happen at the he is running without cover. So I have put him. So now only 4 is alive. Without me, 3 is alive. Come on. So who will how much kill I have did, you can think. I will not say that. So you just say mention minute and comment. Okay, come on, you can mention minute. Okay, this minute 10 minute, like that you have to mention and tell how much kill. So that's only. And if you don't mention that, I will thought, oh, they are we watching the video full and telling. So now only that headshot. Now itself I have to die, but one headshot was Kane pakka shot, that is because so close to Booyah. So this 2 minutes. So he was attacking. I put a glue wall. Attacking. He was run. Okay, he was ran. So I'm shooting. I have think that he was there on that tree, but he's not there. You also thinking like that only now, but that's not real. Yeah, guys, he's not under the tree. He have run that side. So trees back. So last minute only I have seen him. I have prawning and going and sitting and what I'm sleeping. So all I'm doing, I'm watching here and there. Where. Finally was where means you will see, guys. I know, but you don't know. So come on, comment. Okay, mention the minute and comment minutes, seconds. Okay. So come on. Where he is? I don't know. Where? So then see where I'm searching for 2 minutes. Really, I'm searching for 2 minutes. So it will see, no. He is making me hungry. No. I am searching. Then lastly, he have shooted me. And I have found him because of silencer sound that was put on my pants. Then I have killed him. See, 108 shot. Super. If you like this video, like and share and subscribe. Bye bye. We will see you in next video. I'm your Shadid. Bye guys. Take a review with Corona. Bye bye. Like and share and subscribe. Bye bye guys. Bye.